Hey everyone, it's me again. So, my buddy next door just snagged some super fancy KI, right? Only problem, no aquarium. Guess who he called for help? Yep, yours truly. This little yard is where we're turning dirt into a 5-star KI resort. Let's build. First things first, gotta clear this area out and get it nice. Can't build aquarium on a lumpy mess. Now we're laying down some bricks and building the base walls. Looking kinda legit already, huh? Frames up. I left the front open. That's where the glass panel is going later. Next up, slap cement on aquarium. Inside, outside smooth it all out. Pro tip, guys, make sure you apply it nice and even for a smoother, better looking finish. Time for a little extra flair. I'm adding 2 columns inside the aquarium so we can plant stuff and hold up a snazzy little roof. And making sure that aquarium bottom is as smooth as glass. The heavy lifting's done. Time to spice things up. I'm building this cute little nook right here. This is a neat trick, it's great for some decorative pebbles, and it actually helps keep the water temperature down. Okay, it's glass time. Carefully fitting it into that front opening. Gotta be super gentle here. Remember those 2 pillars? Time to put M to work supporting the frame for that awesome, resort-style thatched roof. Using some scrap wood and piecing it together for the roof frame. Then, a good coat of PU to keep those pesky termites away. Let's throw on that palm leaf roof. Can you feel the beach vibes coming through yet? Frame's done. Now let's glam it up. First up, giving this aquarium a cool, refreshing coat of blue. Then, a few dabs of white and purple for some artsy accents. This old cement planter? It's about to become our homegrown water filter system, drilling a few little holes here to create mini waterfall spouts. And of course, painting it a matching blue to go ton with the aquarium. This leftover ceramic tile? Perfect lid for our filter. What about the water spout? Grab some bamboo from the garden and DIY the heck out of it. Drill, glue. Piece M together bamboo fountain complete. Hit it with some PU to keep the bugs off. Filter's done. Install it in the aquarium. It's cute, but kinda plain, huh? So let's jazz it up and give it some more sparkle. Fill it up and let it sit for 5 days to leach out any of that cement. Five days later, time to drain it all out. Add biomedia to the filter and spread gravel across the bottom. A few plants here, some leaves there. Now we're talking backyard oasis. Last but not least, refill it with fresh water. Mission impossible. KI Aquarium Edition is completed. One final step, let the KI move into their new luxury house. Gently place them in, let them explore new house. Hope my buddy is gonna be thrilled with the setup. I put some serious elbow grease into this. If you're vibing with this style of pond, hit me up. I can't promise I'll build it for you, but I will help you figure it out. Thanks for hanging out and watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button to get notifications for more awesome DIY ideas. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.